George from Millsboro wrote urging me to support the Veterans Access to Care Act, which would address the unacceptably long wait times at many VA medical facilities and ensure timely access to care for our nation's veterans. George, thank you for writing me. I agree that the scheduling delays and deceptive practices that were uncovered at the Phoenix VA and at many VA facilities around the country are unacceptable. I co-sponsored the Veterans Access to Care Act, which you wrote me about, in order to fix these problems for our veterans, and the Senate passed it last month with broad bipartisan support. The Senate and House are now working in a conference committee to iron out some details, some differences between the House and Senate version in order to enact a final bill. The bill gives 2-year relief to VAs with long wait lists by allowing patients to be referred to local physicians where there's an unacceptably long backlog, and it empowers the VA to hire more doctors and nurses to meet the growing demand of veterans returning home from our long wars in Iraq and Afghanistan, and allows the VA secretary to fire underperforming senior managers. In the meantime, I'm working to ensure that Delaware veterans are getting the care that they've earned. I am glad that the Wilmington VA leadership has made some progress to reduce patient backlogs, and so far, no misconduct has been publicly reported. I urge any Delawareans who've had difficulty with the Wilmington VA or with the VA nationally to reach out to me through my office so that we can assist in any way we can. George, thanks for reaching out to me.